p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KWO39, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan, the Illinois and Indiana shores, and Chicago. The current time is 2:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Sunday and Monday, limited thunderstorm risk. Limited flooding risk. Tuesday, elevated thunderstorm risk, with an associated elevated flooding risk. Wednesday through Friday, limited thunderstorm risk at times. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the Illinois nearshore waters of Lake Michigan and the Indiana nearshore waters of Lake Michigan. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Conditions hazardous for small craft are possible on Tuesday. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the open waters of Lake Michigan. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Thunderstorms are possible at times at Tuesday.
At 2 p.m. at O'Hare Airport it was sunny. The temperature was 75 degrees. The dew point was 42, and the relative humidity was 62%. The wind was east at 15 miles per hour. The pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, at Benton Harbor, it was sunny with a temperature of 79. At Waukegan, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 80. It was cloudy with a temperature of 72 at Milwaukee Airport, 75 at DuPage Airport, 85 at Midway Airport, and 75 at Gary, Indiana. Once again, at O'Hare Airport it was 75. At the Kenosha Harbor entrance, winds were west at 10 knots. At the Muskegon entrance, winds were north at 3 knots. In open waters, at the South Lake Michigan buoy, winds were south at 3 knots. Waves were calm.
Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation.
This NOAA Weather Radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA Weather Radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.